Awning windows are a favorite among Orangeburg homeowners, offering a perfect blend of style, ventilation, and energy efficiency. Their unique design, which allows them to open outward from the top, makes them an ideal choice for both aesthetic and functional purposes. However, like any feature in your home, awning windows require proper care and maintenance to perform their best and last for years to come. Here are some essential maintenance tips tailored for Orangeburg homeowners to keep their awning windows in top condition. Regular cleaning for a clear view. Dirt, pollen, and debris can accumulate on your windows over time, especially in Orangeburg's humid climate. To maintain a crystal clear view and ensure smooth operation, regular cleaning is a must. Interior cleaning. Use a gentle glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth to clean the interior surfaces of the window. Avoid harsh chemicals that could damage the frame or glass coatings. Exterior cleaning. Since awning windows open outward, cleaning the exterior can be easier. Use a soft bristled brush and soapy water to scrub away dirt, then rinse thoroughly. Pro tip: clean your windows on a cloudy day to avoid streaks caused by quick drying sunlight. Check the hinges and hardware. Awning windows rely on hinges and a crank mechanism to function. Over time, these components can wear out or become clogged with debris. Inspect hinges. Regularly check the hinges for signs of rust, wear, or looseness. Tighten screws if necessary and clean away dirt or debris that could hinder movement. Lubricate moving parts. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to the crank and hinges to ensure smooth operation. Avoid using grease-based lubricants, as they can attract dirt and dust. Test the crank mechanism. Turn the crank periodically to ensure it opens and closes without resistance. If you notice stiffness or sticking, address it immediately to prevent further damage. Seal and weatherproofing inspection. Orangeburg's weather can range from hot and humid summers to cool winters, making weatherproofing essential for energy efficiency and comfort. Inspect seals. Check the rubber or silicone seals around your awning windows for cracks, gaps, or wear. Damaged seals can lead to drafts and higher energy bills. Replace worn seals. If seals are deteriorating, replace them promptly. Most home improvement stores offer easy-to-apply weather stripping that can restore your window's insulation. Check for water leaks. Awning windows are designed to protect against rain, but improper sealing can lead to leaks. Look for water stains or dampness near the window frame after heavy rain. Protect against Orangeburg's humidity. The humid climate in Orangeburg can lead to condensation buildup on windows, especially in winter. Manage humidity levels. Use a dehumidifier or ensure proper ventilation in your home to reduce indoor moisture. Wipe condensation. If condensation does form, wipe it away promptly to prevent mold growth and damage to the window frame. Choose the right materials. Vinyl or aluminum frames are less prone to moisture-related damage, making them ideal for Orangeburg's climate. Address minor repairs quickly. Small issues, if left unchecked, can lead to bigger problems down the line. Repair cracks or chips. If the glass develops cracks or chips, address them immediately to prevent them from spreading. Many glass repair kits are available for minor fixes. Tighten loose frames. Over time, window frames can loosen slightly. Tighten screws and secure joints to maintain structural integrity. Schedule professional inspections, while regular DIY maintenance is essential. It's also important to have your awning windows professionally inspected periodically. Experts can identify issues that may not be visible to the untrained eye and provide solutions before they escalate. Seasonal maintenance checklist. Adopting a seasonal approach to window care can make maintenance more manageable. Spring. Clean windows and inspect for damage caused by winter weather. Summer. Focus on lubrication and check for warping or sticking due to heat. Fall. Prepare for colder weather by replacing worn seals and cleaning gutters near windows to prevent water damage. Winter. Monitor condensation and check for drafts to maintain energy efficiency. Conclusion. Awning windows are a stylish and practical addition to any Orangeburg home, but they require regular care to stay functional and beautiful. By following these maintenance tips, you can extend the lifespan of your windows, improve their performance, and maintain the comfort and energy efficiency of your home. Whether you're cleaning glass, inspecting hardware, or replacing seals, a little effort goes a long way in preserving the charm and functionality of your awning windows. For professional assistance or advice, reach out to local Orangeburg window experts who can help ensure your windows are always in top-notch condition.